So far, so good? No?
Still getting it?
Okay, still do not get it. Means you. I put the YouTube and the score sheet and read it one more time. One more time, many times. Okay? So review. Okay? So this is a group 1, group 1, group 1, group 1. Okay, kaku. So ku, mu, su, u, change. Okay? So ku line. Okay, kaki ku ke ko. So mi ka 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 ki ka ku ka ke ka ko. Mu line, ma mi mu me mo. So no ma, no mi, no mu, no me, no mo. Okay, su line, sa shi su se so. Okay, so ke sa, ke shi, ke su, ke se, ke so. Okay, tsuka u line, we don't use a. We use wa. Okay, wa. Tsukawa. Tsukai, tsukau, tsukae, tsukao. Okay, so that's group 1. So group 2. Okay, ru, usually la ri ru re ro, but nothing ru re yo. Okay? Right. So, mise, miseru, misere, miseyo. Okay? Right. Osieru, to teach. Okay? Osie, osieru, osiere, osieyo. Okay? And the group 3 is only 2. Suru, kuru. Shi, suru, sure, shio. Okay? Koki, kuru, kure, koyo. Okay, that you have to memorize it. There's no pattern. So that's shi, suru, sure, shio. Koki, kuru, kure, koyo. Okay, you have to memorize it. Okay? And also, yesterday, I teach te base. Okay, how do you make te base? Group 3, how do you make te base? Shite, shita. So, base 2 plus te and ta. Shite, shita. Kuru, kite, kita. So, group 2, the base 2 and theta. Misete, miseta. Osieru, osieta. Te, osieta. Okay, this is a rule. Yeah, regulation. Okay, verb conjugation. Today, I'm going to teach how do you change group 1. Yeah? So group 1 is a little bit complicated. Okay? Group 1, yeah? How do you take a note out? Yeah? Okay, so group okay, group 1, okay, making the base and the base. Okay, making the base. Okay, how to make the base. Okay. So usually I say the dictionary form finish with uku, su, tsu, nu, hu, mu, yu. Okay? Depends on the finish. How do you finish it? How do you change it? Okay? So 3 types, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 types. Okay? If you finish u, tsu, ru. Okay? Utsuru. Change te. Te means TTE, te. 立ってください, like that. Te. Small tsu and te. Okay? So, finish with u. Okay. Next group. Bu, mu, nu. Nde. 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 De. Nde. So, bu, mu, nu, nde. Okay? Nde. Nde. Okay? Okay? Hi. Now, 3 times. Ku, su, gu. So that's individual. Finish with ku, finish with su, finish with gu. Okay? Ku, su, gu. Ite. Shite. Ide. Ite, shite, ide. So, ku, su, gu は ite, shite, ide. Okay? So, u finish with u. Like au, au, uta, u. Au to meet. Utau is to sing. Okay. Utau, au, utau. Right. Tsu, tatsu. Okay. Other tsu. Tatsu to stand. Tatsu, right? Finish with u, okay? Tatsu. Ru, kaeru. Kaeru is to return. Later you're gonna learn this verb. Kaeru, to return. Kaeru, to return. Wakaru, okay? Wakaru. Wakaru is to understand. Understand. Okay, wakaru. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, bu. Asobu. To play. Okay, or tobu, to jump. Tobu. Jump. Okay. Mu, nomu, yomu. Nomu to drink, right? To drink. Yomu to read. Okay. Nu, not so many nu, but you have no learn. Shinu. Shinu is to die. To die. Shinu.
It got so dark.
Okay.
So
Okay. Shinu. Okay. Hai. Ku. Yes. Kaku. To write. Okay. Or other ku. Kaku. Okay.
Hey, Franklin, it's Mr. O'Connell. I want to make an announcement about this today's advisory. You know, a lot of diligent and thoughtful planning and collaboration has gone into what is about to experience in advisory today. And I want to set the expectation high that everybody participates as you're supposed to. For all 9th through 11th graders are going to be in advisory doing a PowerPoint that has been provided by Ms. Philly Bendler. So shout out to Ms. Philly Bendler and Ms. Weinstein for putting that together. So you'll be participating in that. So expectations that seniors are going to be gathering in the auditorium during advisory to go through some farewell. So seniors spend some time celebrating that family. Later on at lunch lunchtime. We're on one lunch today, and then on one lunch, and college and career fair and celebration going on. So the expectation there is that you visit some of the multitude of tables of community park colleges that are in the building today. To learn about what's going on after high school for you. So I want to make sure everybody hears it from me directly that the expectation is that you're participating in advisory, that lunch, you're doing the college and career fair celebration, and really making the most out of what's been planned for you today. Okay, we don't do this without a lot of hard work, ladies and gentlemen. When your staff in this building has been working diligently to put it together. Staff, give them a shout out, give them a high five, and a quick smile. Let's make it a great day, Franklin. And again, and we got business today.
Thank you, Colonel. Good. Anyway, so, はい。そう、映る、て、ぶむぬ、んで、くすぐ、わ、いて、して、いで。One more time. 映るって、ぶむぬんで、くすぐは、いてしていで。So how do you change the base tabase? あって、あった、歌って、歌った、立って、立ってください。帰る、帰って、帰った。わかる？わかって？わかった。遊ぶ？遊んで。飛ぶ？飛んで。飲む？飲んで。読む？読んで。死ぬ？死んで。書く？書いて。話す？話して。泳ぐ？泳いで。Hey, wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute. The souvenir.
Oh,
Are you One more.
one more.
One more.
One more.
This is not that. Just this. Don't worry.
What?
All right. The review. There you go.